Breathing exercise part 1. Kumbhak means holding or retention your breath. Sit in any meditative postures. There are various postures. First is Sukhasana. Next is Ardha Padmasana means half lotus pose. Next one is Purna Padmasana, that is lotus pose. And last one is Vajrasana. You can sit in any comfortable posture. Hands will be in Dhyana Mudra, that is thumb and index finger. Tip of your thumb and index finger join. 3 fingers straight, back straight, shoulders relaxed and eyes closed. Breathe normally first. Deep breath now and hold. Hold for 10 seconds. If you are not able to hold for 10 seconds, you can start with 4, 5, anything whichever is comfortable for you. Try to hold your breath. Relax slowly. Do not exhale in single count. Exhale very slowly. 2 normal breaths in between. Again, deep inhalation and hold. Try to hold for 10 seconds. Exhale slowly. Normal breath. Last round. Deep breath in and hold. Do not force. Breathe as much as you can. Try to hold for 10 seconds. Relax slowly. Breathe normal. Now focus on your breath. Observe the movement of your stomach. Release all the stress. Concentrate on the breath. Shoulders relaxed, body relaxed. Observe the movement of your chest. There are so many benefits of Kumbhak. When you hold your breath after inhaling, it brings oxygen into your lungs, which improves lung functioning. Your respiratory system gets stronger, and during this COVID-19 situation, it is very necessary to have your respiratory system stronger. Practicing Kumbhak daily will definitely help you for this. So, students, practice Kumbhak daily after your Surya Namaskar and asanas. Relax. When you are done, rub your palms, make them warm enough. Create a heat and place them gently on your eyes, on your face. Open your eyes inside Show some light through your fingers and then hands down. Relax.